And here. Okay. We are from group 5. Today we're going to talk about determinant. Okay. We have determinant for matrix 1 times 1 and matrix 2 times 2. So for matrix 1 times 1, it's easy. Just write the same thing. You know? Okay. So we're going to go for the matrix 2 times 2. So for matrix 2 times 2, we have 1, 1, A2, A1, 2, A2, 1, A2, 2. Okay. How we got this? You guys can see, this is A11, this is A11 times A22. A22, this one. So this one times this one. And then minus A21, A21 this, and A12 this one. So times this. So we minus. Okay, example 1. Determinant for B is 1 times 3 and then 2 times negative 1. Don't forget about minus sign. We got negative 1. We got 5. Then for example 2, C, determinant for C equal to x times x. Then minus 1 times negative 1. We got x squared minus negative 1. And then we got x squared plus 1.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. So for 3 by 3 or n by n is more than 3 or 2, we use the cofactor expansion for us to find the determinant. For example, here is matrix A. This is the minor of the matrix A. Maybe you don't understand this way. I will show you the cofactor. Here is the major one, Aij equal to negative 1 to the power of I plus j dij. So for you to easier for you to understand about this, for the I plus j, we can make it simpler by using this table. So we can know the operation which if it is plus or minus. And here I will show you for the example. The matrix is negative 1 to 1, T for 1 and negative 1 to negative 1. So for us to find the determinant, negative 1 is here, is used, and I use the row. So first row, so I mark it like that, and so I can use this row and this column for the first one because I use the negative 1, and the following number of the minor is just like the 2 by 2 matrix, 4 times negative 1 and negative 1 times 2. Same for the other one, the 2, we still use the same row but different column. So here 2 and 3 times with negative 1 and 1 times with negative 1. Don't forget the minus. This is just like 2 by 2 matrix. So here we can find that the determinant of the matrix A is 12.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. So today, just now we learned about matrix 3 by 3 and 2 by 2, and then we learned about cofactor, right? So now we're going to do the example. So it's more practical. So okay, we have two question, two example. So we look at the first. Okay, at the first. So what you need to do is the first step is you have to choose whether it's a row or a column. So right now, in this case, I choose the first row, which is 2, 0, and 1. Okay, and then the second step is you see the first number is 2, right? So you write down number 2. And then for this one, how I get this one is by you cover up this one, and you cover up this row and this column, and then you get your number, right? Same goes is by this one and this one. So you cover up this one and this one, the first row, and you cover the row and the column, so you get the number. Okay. Okay. The third step is you write the number is 2, and then for this one you have to multiply. This one is multiplied by this, and minus this one is multiple for this one. Okay. So 3 times 4 is negative 5, minus negative 8, so we get negative 4. And then this one, you can see this one is 0, right? So 0 multiplied by any number is get 0, right? So just write down 0. So this one is 1, right? So minus 1. For this one is 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and this one is 9, so negative 1. So this negative 8 plus negative 8, so plus, so minus 1, so you get negative 9. So the answer is negative 9. Okay. So next we're going to do the second example. So, yeah, okay. Like I say, the first step is you have to choose one row or one column. No matter what row or what column, so you just choose one. But if in the metric, and if the question have a 0, so you have to choose that column or row. For this one, the first row have 0, right? 2, 0, and 0. So you have to choose this row. Why? Because it make you easier to calculate. Okay, I show you. So that is write down the number, right? So write down the number 2, and then you cover this up, and you cover this row and column, so you get the number. It's 3, 2, 4, and 4. So this one is 0. So we just write minus 0 and plus 0, because like before, the example 1, we have the 0 is multiplied by any number, is become 0. So you just write the 0 here. As for the sign here, whether it's negative or positive, before this, you just learn this the sign, right? So you just use this one, okay? For this one, just positive, negative, and positive. Okay. For this one, okay. 3 multiplied by 4 and 2 by 4 is 12. 12 minus by 8. It's 4, right? 4. So the answer is 8. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, now I'm going to talk about properties of the determinant. So we have 6 six properties of determinant. So first of all, square matrix. Which is square matrix have two column and two row. So what make it different is so we take a look example for you. B located in first column and second row, but this B located in second row, second column, first row. So but if we multiply C, B is still equal to B with time with C. So it just still we can get same value anyway. Okay, second, interchanging. This is what interchanging might between rows or column. Okay, now for example, A equal to negative B. So here's this example. A. So you can see AB on the first row and CD is on the second row. But on the other side, CD on the first row, but AB on second row, on second column. So which is we can see both of them switching rows, and we have mass at negative sign. So when we calculate, and then it will still be this we can still get the same value. Okay. Third one, two rows or column are identical. So you can see first column is AB and first column is AB and second column is AB as well. If we multiply AB minus AB is equal to 0. Okay, simple. Okay, now multiplying rows or element with scalar K. So scalar K is like it fixed value. It won't change. Okay, B equal to K A. So this is example. So KA. So KA and KB is on the first column, and so if we can factorize it. So bring it out. So we can put K outside of the matrix. So we got A B, just A B. Yeah, just simple. Like we just use basic algebra. Okay. Now number 5, multiplying scalar K is added to another row. Okay, B equal to A. Okay, this might be seems a little bit complicated, but it's not. Okay, so it's A plus KC. If you want to calculate, A plus KC will be multiplied with D, and C will multiply with B plus KD. So if we make some calculation, just use like just basic matrix method. Okay. So this will cancel out, and A plus BKC with B, and will cancel out each other, but so at the end we still get A times D minus with B times C. So just use basic equation, just like others. Okay, nothing hard. Okay, six. When matrix has 0 row, so it not just in a row, it also could be in a column. Okay, so A times 0 minus 0 times B. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you.